How to install the MySQL Ruby Gem on Ubuntu 9.10. I am having a problem installing the Ruby Gem for MySQL. This is the command that I am running. And this is the output that I'm getting. What do I need to do in order to get this to install?
Thanks to this thread, I found out that the reason it fails to install is because of a path pointing the wrong way when the package was compiled. Thankfully, the solution is very simple. Note, I got an error message trying to uninstall MySQL, but that's okay because it wasn't installed in the first place. While installing the MySQL gem, I got messages that looked like errors. No definition for next_result, but those aren't errors. This happens when installing the documentation. They are just messages saying that there isn't any documentation available for certain functions.
You do not really need that gem to use MySQL in Ruby. There is a package in Debian/Ubuntu that already has same code already compiled and prepared. Just type sudo apt-get install libmysql ruby.
On Ubuntu Hardy 8.04 I got the apt-get install to work with.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.